You guys, I want you guys to look in the tree and see if you find anything in there that's different.
Go up there?
No, like go across the street. No, that's from a.
That?
Look.
That's different.
Look hard. It's a special ornament.
Oh.
Special. Dude, that was there. That's an owl. See the...
Special ornament?
Mm-hmm.
Look.
Well, I'm
Yeah.
scared.
Did it bite you?
No, it's not gonna bite you.
I found it. Wait, is this it?
Is that it?
Hey, what is it?
No, I made that at school.
No.
Is it this?
What is it?
That? Was it that?
What is it?
Is it? It's like a doghouse?
It's a dog house.
Dog.
So what happens when you have an
Dog?
ornament
Oh,
with a dog?
Is it?
That means that.
We got a dog? Is it a German Shepherd?
Here he comes.
What? Oh my god! It's a dog! Oh my god! Oh yeah! A dog! Oh my gosh!
It's not real either, it's remote control.
That's your guy's new dog.
Thank you so much! He's my dog.
He's all three.
Be quiet.
Thank you guys.
Oh, look